In this video, I'll be showing you how to draft a floor plan using AutoCAD. So in our previous class, I discussed how to use some of the tools in AutoCAD, and I show you the AutoCAD interface. So all those tools discussed in the last class, we are going to make use of those tools in this present class now. So we are going to use those tools to draft a floor plan. You can, with all these tools, you can use to draw any shape of floor plan required. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to draft a floor plan using all these tools mentioned. So let's get started. So as I said, line is the first line speaking architecture. I told you in our former class that. So if you have not watched those videos of how I show you the interface of this AutoCAD and the tools used, you can check my previous video of how the AutoCAD interface and the tools used, so you won't get confused. So you are going to follow along with us. So I told you in last class that line speak mostly in architecture. That's why they put line at the left first side in AutoCAD. So line, you could just pick this line now, drag it. You're going to start drawing floor plan. So say that I'm going to be using this one and the shortcut. So I told you in last class that the shortcut for line is L. Press L, spacebar, draw it. So press L again, press it, spacebar, I'm going to draw. So we are going to offset from here to here. I'm going to be using the block of 150. Offset it, offset 150. Offset again 150. So from this side to this side, I'm going to be measuring 2.4 offset. I'm measuring 2.7. So from this side to this side, block wall, offset 150. Hope you are following. I'll be using shortcut mostly because shortcuts make it more faster, and I like you to get along with it. Go and master the shortcut very well so that you are going to be faster in your drawing. Because if you are coming to this interface and be picking it one by, I just show you the interface so that you get familiar with the interface and the shortcut. So next one, yes, once you offset from this side to this side, let's offset 1050. The next one here, that is block offset 150. The next one is 900, offset 900. The next one, offset 150, that is block wall. Next one, offset 4.8, offset 4.8. So the next one, offset 150, that is block wall. So I want to offset from this side, that is 900. I want to offset it down, offset 900. Block wall again, I want to create block wall, offset 150. The offset I'm choosing, the offset is here. If you want to use the offset is here too. This is offset in this place, this is offset in the interface. So the offset I'm using, this is the offset in the interface. The shortcut for offset is O spacebar. So I've offset it down. I want to offset it again 1.2. So I want to create block wall, offset 150. So I want to extend this one. I told you that extend is here in the interface. The shortcut for extend is ES. Press spacebar twice or enter twice. So I don't need all this space again. I don't need all this one again. I want to trim it out. Trim. You can just come here, press this one, and it's the same thing. Or you can press the shortcut. The shortcut is TR spacebar twice. So delete this one. To delete it, press E spacebar. It's going to delete. or you can just come here and press this one and delete it. The same thing. So from this side to this side, I want to use 3 meter offset, 3 meter. I want to offset 150. That is block wall. So I want to extend this one downward. I want to trim this one here. I've trimmed that one away. So the next one is what? Okay, I want to trim this one away. Trim it away. Trim that one. I want to trim this one away too. Trim that one away. Trim this one away. Okay, we are getting there. So the next one, I want to trim this one away. The unwanted one, you are going to trim it away. We are going to trim it away. The next one here, from here to here, I want to measure 4.2, offset 4.2. Block wall, create block wall, offset 150. So the next, from here to here, I want to measure 1.2, offset 1.2, offset 150. So from this side to this side, so I want to measure 3.6 bedroom, standard 3 bedroom. That is 3.6 in feet. That is 12 feet. That's so. In architecture, you usually use millimeter. That is, we usually use millimeter. So from this side to this side, I'm measuring 3.6, offset 3.6. Block wall, offset 150. So I want this one to go and meet this one. So I have told you that in our last video that solution for that, you are going to be using fillets. All what we have taught in that last video, you are just going to be making use of it in reality here. So I want this one to judge. The tools we are going to be using is fillet. This is the fillet here, or the shortcut is F spacebar. Press this one, press this, press this, press this, press this. That is fillet. I've joined it together. So from this side to this side again is 3.6. I want to measure 3.6, offset 3.6. 3.6, offset 150. That is block wall. So I want to trim this one away. CR spacebar twice to remove this. And I won't get combis. So I've removed that. The next one is from here to here. That is 1.8, offset 1.8. 1.8, offset 150. 150. So from here to here, there is another offset 600. So I want this one to extend backward here. So block wall, offset 150. Extend this. I want to trim this out. Trim down one out. Trim it out. So we are going. There is a lobby here. The lobby is 1.2, so offset 1.2. Offset 150. So I want this one to join F. I want this one to join this one. I told that it's fillet or chamfer. Press F spacebar. Press this. Press this. See, it's going to join. I want this one to join this one to press F for you to continue. If you are done with one step, you are still going to, and you still want to continue that step, just press your space bar. You're going to continue. So you see, it's join. So from this side to this side, I want to make it 1.5 offset. 1.5 block will offset 150. So I want to trim this one with TR. Trim it away. Trim down away. So from this side, from this side to this side is 900. Offset 900. That is done. TR. Trim it away. Trim it away. I've trimmed it away. So I want this one to join this one. Press F, spacebar, press this, it's going to join. Continue. To continue, press your spacebar again. Press this. See, our plan is, we are getting there. So the next one is, so this one and this one are the same, they are in the same space. So you can just draw a line, or you can just trace this. If you just put it, you won't draw it, just put your mouse, you see this green line, just continue. So instead of the drawing line, so I want to offset it, offset down, offset 150. See, we are getting there. EX is extend. So the same method from year to year, I want to make it offset 3.6. From year to year to 3.6, offset 3.6. Block wall, offset 150. This one too, offset 150. So I want to offset down. That is this toilet. Offset 12. Offset 150. I want this one to join this one. That is F, spacebar. So we are getting there. This one too, F, spacebar. This one join this one. This one join this one. See, our plan is taking shape. Place this one. You see, so this is our plan. This is the shape of the plan. This is the shape of the plan now. So we are just going to be doing the adjustments, putting window, putting doors. So that is the next one for the floor plan now. So remain this one. Remain this. From this side to this side is 3.6. Offset 3.6. Offset 150. So I want to trim this one. CR is trim. Press your spacebar twice, or you come here, press it all, and you're going to trim the same work. It's the same work. So I'm going to trim this one, CR. This one too, trim it away. Trim it away. So I want to create like small lobby here. You enter your loader lobby before they enter this door's toilet. So offset 900. Just make it 900. Offset 150. Trim this one away, TR. So I'm getting there. So that is the shape. That is the shape of my floor plan now. So I want to be removing. Let me remove the window first. This one I want to fillet together, fillet. So I want to chamfer it together, fillet, F space. So I've filleted it together. So I want to be removing the window from this side to this side. The window I will be using is 1.2, offset 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, extend it. So I want to trim it away because description of window is different from description of wall. So I'm going to trim it away. As we continue, I will show you how to show the description of window. I want to offset 150 here, offset 150. So this one will come down, EX, remove block wall, offset 150. Just put one design there. Put one design there. So this one too, yes, come down, see how. So I've removed this. So I just want to put one design there, just to make it more okay. So I want to remove my window here. The size of the window I'll be using here is 600, offset 600, offset. So offset 600. I want to trim this one away. CR, space bar twice, space bar twice. Oh, this here too, this visitor's toilet. I want to offset 600. I want to put the 600 here. Offset 600. Set the top. So I'm going to trim it. CR. I will remove this one so I won't get confused as I'm going. So this one I will trim it away. You don't need it again. So I'm getting there. So there will be door here. The door I'll be using here is 750. Offset 750. Same trim it. TR. Space bar twice. So I'm getting there. I want to trim this one away. So then in construction the block used to join together. So the block will join together in construction. They enter the surface of each other. They compact each other. So that is how looking when you are designing. So I'm going to trim all this one. I don't need it. Trim it away. So I will trim it away. So this one too, let me trim it away. This is how it's going to come. So here like this, there's window here. So let me just put the window. The window here that will be using offsets 450. So 450. Extend this one. Let me extend it up so I can trim. I want to trim this one TR. That is space on my window. So that is my window. So that is my window. That is window. Next one too. Next one is window. So let me just come in. L is line. So offsets, size of window I'll be using is 600. You see, I don't even come to this. I don't come to this interface since I'm just using shortcut. With shortcuts, life is very easier. So I will advise you guys to master those shortcuts so that your design will be more faster and easier. So I've offset the 600. I want to trim this one away. TR. So in case of, let me just go here. We are going to use copy here. I want to copy this one to this side. There's CO spacebar. Copy it, press it, and come up. See? So so that is CR, trim it away. So that is it. Remove that window. So this one too, and to remove window 2, press offset 600. So that is it. I want to copy it. CO copy, press it, paste it. So I want to trim this one with CR. Trim it away. Trim it away. Trim this one away. Trim this one away. So in this design, so from this side to this side, I want to offset 800 on 1.818. So block wall offset 150. So I'm trim it 3 out. So let me just remove this one. I don't need it again. So for the design, I will just leave here like this. So that here will serve as arc. CR serve as arc. Serve as arc. So from this side to this side, that is window to my lavatory. That is combination of toilets and bedroom. So offset 750. So I will trim this door. CR. Remove this. I want to fillet this place. So press F spacebar. Press this. So I want to remove this one. CR. So I want to create wardrobe here. Wardrobe for this person using this bedroom. So I'll be using 600. Offset 600. See, so that is my wardrobe. Offset 45. I just want to do design offset 45 there. I want to design this bedroom, target the center, and just use any form to represent your wardrobe. Anything you like, and use it to represent your wardrobe. Offset any design 20 in the center. That is L for line. So that is the design I'll be using for my wardrobe. That is the design I'm using for my wardrobe. So this side is there's window here. So offset 600. We just copy it. CO copy. So trim it here. Here. So how is it? I want my dot to be here. Set 900. I want to trim this one away. CR. Trim it away. So this one too. L. So no space. I want to remove window here again. Offset 600. So just copy it. CO spacebar. Press it. Drag it down. So trim it, CR, trim the unwanted parts away, trim the unwanted part away. See that our floor plan is getting, we are getting there. The reason I created this app is that I'll be using this template, this door sample, door description. I'm using this door description. That is why I put it here. You can draw it manually, and we can some templates. I've drawn this one before, so some templates. That is why I brought it here. See here. So I want to remove window here too. Offset 300, because the window I'll be using is 600 too. So I target the center 300. So I want to trim this one away. CR, trim this one away, trim it away. I want to design like up here, like this. They are going to step here inside here, so let me just create it. So offset 150, so I'm going to extend this one. So let me just because the arc, the step and the block wall won't be the same colors for graphic design. So let me just change this one color. Do that, press it, come to this side, change it to the color you like. Let me just choose this color. So if you have pick one, just press your match, this match property, press it. The shortcut for match is MA. Press your space bar. You're going to match those properties. I'm going to match those properties together. So you see we are getting there. So here too, I want this side to be 2.1, offset 2.1, offset 150. That is block wall. So this one extend down, extend downward. Okay, I've offset the 2.1. Let me create like a arc here. CR, trim it away, trim it away. So my door, the door for this combination of toilet and bedroom be here. So offset 750. So I want to trim this one away, trim it away. So just create my wardrobe here, so offset 40. Use those like this design too. So find the center, so offset 40. So this design is two bedroom flat. So with AutoCAD you can draw any form of floor plan. You can use it to draw any shape of floor plan. So offset it 20. So that is my wardrobe. So here too, here I want to create window. Here again, I want to create window. So I want to offset it down. Size of the window is 600 too. So offset 600. So I'll just copy this one. Copy. Copy. I want to use this copy. Copy. It won't look like I'm just using the shortcut route. see it's the same function. Paste it. If I want to trim it, to come trim. So I've trimmed it away. I want to create window here too. I want to create just window here, size 450, offset 450, copy it. Let me use this copy. So that is CR, trim, spacebar twice. Spacebar twice. Spacebar twice. So here will be my arc. Arc will be there. But let me delete it. Let me remove it first. So yeah, I'll just small design. I'll just put it offset like my flower bed. I want flower bed to be here. Flower bed to be on this side. So offset 600. Yes. Offset 150. No, flower bed will be on this side. So fillet it, F spacebar, fillet or chamfer, anyone you like. So trim this one. So I've trimmed that one. So here will just be my flower base. Here will be the window. So let's start putting the window symbol. So that is why I come with this circle space, because I'm going to use it. You can draw it, but just to make our work faster, so I'll be using this. So I'll copy this, copy, CO, copy. This one is it's easy to draw, so just press the size of your window, draw line, offset 1, 2, extend it, offset 150, offset to the center, offset 50. So it's like that. Just draw it. Draw in the shape of window you like to draw. You see the same thing. Trim it away. So this one we're going to mirror it. MI mirror. Find the center, mirror. So mirror it. Just copy it. M space. So that is how we get that window. That is how we get the window. So just to make life easier, just copy it. CO, copy, paste it. So this one too, I'll just copy. So the window just be copying it. Copy, paste. Like there is one window here too. 600 offset 1.2 window. Trim this one away. Trim this one away. Copy this. So it's in horizontal and I want to make it vertical. To make it vertical, I want to rotate it. So rotate it. R or rotate, or you come here, press this one. Rotate it. See, it has rotated. Just rotate it. Copy it. CO. Copy. Copy. Paste it. Paste it. So that is how our window will look. So copy this. That is 600 window. Copy it. Copy it. Paste it. Paste it. Paste it. paste it. So here is entrance, offset 150. So entrance, I'm going to represent it with arc. So I told you that click it, come to this down here, so you can just choose the arc you like. Is this dash or this? Let me choose this dash. So you see, match it. You can just change, you can change the color for graphics purpose. You can change the color, so match it, MA, match, or you come here, press the match, or MA. So this one too, there's window, copy it. So I'll rotate it, RO, rotate it, copy it, CO, copy. So paste it. There's window here. Let me just put it. Offset 600. Trim it. See how. So here will be window. Trim it. Trim it away. So just copy this one. CO, copy it, paste it. So just be copying the window since you have opened the space. Copy, paste it. This one too. We have something like that here. Copy it, paste it. So this one too, you can just copy. You are not the same size, just copy it, but we have how to do it. Copy it, CO, copy, just paste it. So copy this one, move it, you can just come here to move or press M, space. I have not used move since it's shortcut. So trim this one away, trim it away. So just copy this one again, CO, copy. So paste it. So let me use that ash. I told you that there will be grass here. Let me use that ash. The ash is here. Ash, or press H, enter. Press H, enter. So the grass. Grass something. This grass. You just use like 5 scale. You just paste it, you see. So that is grass. So it remain. Let me be removing I want to be putting door. I want to be putting door. There's arcade, offset 150. There's arc. Let me use this dash. Okay, let me continue using the window. So we have this sample here. Trim this one away. Okay, let's continue. The window. Rotate, RO, rotate. Copy, CO, copy. There's window here too. So you will copy. So there's door here, offset 1.2, I'm using 1.2 door. Trim it here. Trim. And just put small door window here, offset. Offset 300. Trim it. CR. There's small arc here. There's small arc here. Offset 150. So just come here, put this dot, change it to this color. Let me use on my arc. Let me copy this color. Match, that is match. That is match property. There's door here. Offset 900. Yes, extend, trim it, CR. 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 So for this door, let me put this one, copy, CO, copy. So for door, that's why I bring it. You can draw the dots, you just draw it. Okay. An arc. I said arc is A space. This is not working. Press this one. Form the space. So for us to save our time, that is why I come with all this one. Just copy it. CO, copy. Paste. So CO, copy. Paste. CO, copy. Paste. There's okay. Nice. So let me mash it. Let me mash. There's door here. Come here for it to straight. 900 offset 900. There's door here too. Offset 900. So trim it. See how. So just be copying it. CO, copy. Rotate it. RO, rotate. So paste it, copy it. CO, copy. Paste it. RO, rotate. So copy it. CO, copy. So paste it. So paste it. So copy this. CO, copy. Paste it. So I want to mirror this. MI is mirror. So you are going to see the function mirror. Yes, press it. Press space bar. CO, copy. Delete this. Cylinder is off. User. CR headspace offset 750 offset 600 CR So that is all for today's video. Hope you guys have learned how to draft floor plan using AutoCAD with all the tools we discussed in the previous class. We discussed the tools, the shortcuts. So that is how we are going to draft any kind of floor plan in AutoCAD. That is how you are going. That is the step you're going to use to draft it. So that is all for today's video. See you in the next video.